Konstanz is the largest city on the Lake Constance and the only German municipality on the southern shore of the lake. The historic old town, with its picturesque alleys, invites you to enjoy a leisurely shopping trip. There are numerous shops that encourage visitors to linger and let time run slowly for a day, while street cafes serve up enticing Mediterranean dishes. A place of perfectly preserved medieval architecture and cafe-lined cobblestone alleys, Konstanz is a city best explored on foot. So if you're around Germany and are not sure if Constance should be included in your itinerary, keep watching, because in this video, I have put together some of the interesting things to see in Constance. From the central train station to the market square, visitors can explore the picturesque center and the beauty of Constance on foot. There are various specialty shops in the city center that fascinate with a balanced, high-quality mix of shops, especially in the small, exquisite, and often slightly hidden shops, as well as in traditional, owner-operated businesses where you will get the chance to discover very special and often regional treasures. As I continue to stroll through the winding alleys of the historic old town, I finally made myself to the Rathaus, arguably one of the hidden and most interesting sight to visit. The town hall's impressive inner courtyard is characterized by the spirit of Italian Renaissance. I find it relaxing to sit on a bench in solitude while having this beautiful old building in the background. One of the imposing buildings in the city with its 78-meter high tower is the Romanesque column Basilica of Our Lady in Constance. It was consecrated in 1089 and was rebuilt and renovated several times after the Reformation. Things to see inside the cathedral are the entrance hall with its late Gothic double portal and Great Christ of Constance, the crypt, a 10th century structure with the 4 original gold discs from the choir's outer wall, the largest piece called the Majestas Domini. Of this treasure, unique in the Christian world, dates from around 1000, and the Conrad Kapelle, 13th century structure including the 16th century crucifixion altar by Bishop Hugo von Hohenlandenberg. Konstanz is a small town with a lot to offer. With the blue sky as a roof, the blue water as the city's sense of identity, and the abundance of greenery offers the perfect combination of urbanity and nature. In Konstanz, a relaxing stroll along the popular Constance Harbor is a treat for all the senses. With the Council of Constance building built in the late 14th century as one of the background, as you arrive in the area, you can simply dangle your feet in a refreshing lake, have the chance to encounter the docks, breathe in the maritime sea air, and discover the fascination of Lake Constance. With its famous imposing statue of Imperia, 18 tons in weight, 9 meters tall, and 1 courtesan. So don't miss out the beautiful city of Constance, a place that combines tradition and modernity, quality of life and excellence, culture and shopping, uniquely located directly on the shores of the lake, a beautiful destination to visit all year round. Before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, tschüss!